The location sharing feature on your iPhone is a great way to be able to share your location in real time with other people that are important to you, like family members or spouses or kids, so that you can track them and just keep updates with them without having to actually text them and say, hey, where are you? However, there's some new updates that you might want to take advantage of in the Share My Location, and I'll walk you through all of those. The first thing you're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on General midway down. Tap on Software Update, again midway down. Keep in mind, you need to update. You can see iOS 26.4.2. This is only available in iOS 26. It's a brand new feature, and it essentially allows us to customize and control exactly how that Find My app uses and can track your location. To be able to customize it after you've updated, tap the back arrow at the top left, tap back again, and then scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Security midway down, and then tap on Location Services at the top. You'll be able to see all of the location services, and we're specifically talking about Share My Location. So tap on that. If you have shared your location with certain people, in my case, family members, they'll be able to see by default your exact location, the exact place that you are, the building that you are, place on the street. However, a new feature is to tap on back here and scroll down to Find My midway down. And here you can see precise location. Allow apps to use your specific location. With this setting off, apps can only determine your approximate location. So this is one option. If you don't want them to know the exact house or building that you're in, you can always turn this off and they'll know generally where you are if you're still in a city or neighborhood, but they won't know exactly where you are. Another cool feature is you can do this for cell data as well. So tap the back arrow at the top left, tap on back again, and scroll up to the top. Tap on cellular right under Bluetooth, and tap on cell data options or mobile data options. Now on here, you might have an option that says limit precise location, similar to the option that we just found. If you do have that, you can toggle it off. You'll be able to see, in my case, I don't have that as an option. Some carriers will not have that as an option, and some countries will or will not have that as an option. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.